Okay guys, springtime's here. Old Time Garage is good for doing burnouts, so we're gonna have my what's that? You won't stall it. My neighbor here's gonna do a burnout. What's in this thing? 350 Chevy and a 5-speed. Let's see what it can do. Oh, we got a bit down there. He's the guy that does the donuts up there in the street. Oh. That's it, guys. There you go. We're back in the office. There's your burnout. You had to get going before the traffic was getting piled up. Oh, God. Yep. So he's my neighbor down the road, and that's what happens every time of the year. If he's not doing burnouts in front of my driveway, he's stopping by and giving me corn. So, hey, thanks, buddy. I love it. Okay. Remember, guys, always a good time at Old Time, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.